what you can do here is you can go actually to the the solutions here, for example. And let's say you want to have so let's say you're a high level manager, right? And you want to have an overview. Well, we've set these goals. What are we actually doing to, achieve these goals? Well, very easy. If you create those global journey tags, global tags, what you can then do is say like, hey, let's go to solutions and let's see objective 1, increasing recurring revenue. What are we actually doing to do that? Oh yeah, there's 3 things. And what's then also interesting is that you can also see like, hey, how far are we already with implementing these, right? Because here you can see like, okay, 2 of these have already been implemented. Great. But one is still, one is implemented and 2 are in development here. So that gives you an overview of how far you actually are with achieving that objective. Very easy, but I think very powerful as well. It's I love those things where it's just very easy to do, but actually the things you can do with it are very powerful. So you can do that both for objectives, of course, and for key results. So if you have a key result like, let's reduce churn to 1%, very practical. You can also say like, oh yeah, plan sliders or like a test drive function or feature, are very good. But hey, we're still in development there. If that's really important, you might actually use this overview to say like, hey, wait, these things are very important for us. Maybe we should actually prioritize those higher, right? And focus on those things.
So hang on a minute, like you went pretty fast there. So OKRs, objective key results, that's just one way that we see a lot of our customers set goals. It's not the only way, but like basically what you just showed is like using the global tag system to define your goals, your objectives, or your key results below these objectives.
Yeah.
And then basically on every level, not only on the journey level, but the example you gave for solutions, look at like what is actually going on around solving this or achieving that.
Yeah, exactly. So what we've done here is we've simply just added all the objectives that we have and some of the key results that relate to that. Also notice that I've used objective 1, and then said like key result 1A and 1B, they relate to objective 1. So you can make that very structured in that way. Yeah. And then those are fixed. So then if you're a team and you're creating solutions, you're creating opportunities, you're creating journeys, you can actually then start tagging those with those objectives if you think that those things will really help achieve those goals. Yeah. And that creates a sort of high level, another way to, cut through all of the things and create different filters and cross sections of all the elements that you have, in this case, based on the different goals that you want to achieve as a company.